Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change keyboard layout on Huawei. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then you gotta enter the system and updates category, onwards open the language and input page, and by default, most probably your Huawei smartphone will come with two default keyboards pre-installed. That is going to be the Celia Keyboard and Microsft SwiftKey. If you would like to change layout for your Celia Keyboard, just open its settings page, like that. Then you can enter the keyboard category and change such options as pop-up on key press, show or hide the number row, touch and hold delay, which is not so much related to the layout, but still. Then I guess you can also change its theme, languages if that's something you would like to do, and perhaps sound and vibration preferences, and maybe some input, thus text correction options as well. When it comes to Microsft SwiftKey keyboard, it has a little more configurations you can work with. So let's open its respective settings page. Here it is. Here you have the separate layout and keys section that allows you to change the same key pop-ups option, resize your keyboard perhaps. You can also toggle the extended characters options, arrow keys, and etc. So that's up to you. Anyway, that will be it as far as changing the layout of the keyboard on this device goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching. Thanks for, well, staying with us, and bye-bye.